Alright guys, welcome back. So today I worked on hooking up these lights. They were already in this box, so they had to be made up at the lights. This one, I think that one, and I think that one. So yep, making up the lights, and then also making up some of the J boxes, like right there. So just working with the lights today. I did a couple exit signs at the beginning of the day. They did some more ceilings down to the left. And then over to here, same thing basically. Another junction box here for some outside lights. And then these were already made up, so they had to be made up at the lights. 1, 2, 3, and 4, I think. And then there's another junction box right there, and basically make that up. And then I think I had to make those two up at the lights, I'm not sure. And then moving on to over here, same thing, junction boxes, right, junction box right here for the outside lights. So those are just color to color. And then another one right here. Another junction box right there. I think these two lights were already in the lights. And then this last thing right here, a little chaos, but it just has to go back together. This light has to get plugged into that box. This light, which is hanging right there, has to go into that box, and then it'll also get tied together to its correct spots. The box was sitting over here, had to reshoot the, I don't even know what that's called, but I had to reshoot the grid wire and the anchor, and then remount the box. And so I just have to restrap the exit sign wire up there once I get this all figured out, and then zip tie these wires to ceiling grid wires so it looks good and off the grid, and then just make that up. So that's where I ended today. So yep, I think these lights are tied in already, so it just has to get made up at the box. So that's what I worked on today. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for stopping by, I highly appreciate it. And if you want to support me and say thanks for making the video, just go ahead and drop a like and subscribe if you're new. If you want to see some more videos like this, I upload every weekday. I think that should do it, guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace. Help me get to 800. I think I need one more. See you guys.